Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the AI video generator in Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then simply type in www.canva.com in the search bar and simply go to the login page of Canva, then put in your login credentials there. And once you are there, you have to simply open up a file. Then here you have to click on the Magic Media option from the below. So you have to just scroll down, and here you will get the option of Magic Media on the left hand side. Just simply click on it, then simply click on the video. Here we'll get the option of video generator, but since it's not available in my country, that's why it's not showing. So I'm just going to show it by the images. It is as same as like the video as well, so you have to do the same thing. So let's say I would like to make a waterfall. I would type this, and you can just do for some it will simply take the same questions in the video section as well. Then click on generate images. In the video section you will get the option of generate videos. Simply click on the generate videos, and after that it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see that AI have already generated some images. You can just place it wherever you want. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.